Let's discuss questions related to triple integrals. There were only 2 questions asked on this particular topic, so let's see them one by one. So question 1 says that consider the 3-dimensional region R, which is bounded by this plane. Like they have given us 3 planes and the region R is bounded by these 3 planes. So let's see. First let us draw the region. So if let's say this is my x-axis, this is y-axis, and let's say this is z-axis. So first plane is y equals to 0. So y equals to 0 will be basically this plane, xz plane, basically this region. Likewise second plane is z equals to 0. So z equals to 0 will be this plane. And third is x plus y plus z plus 1, that will be basically this plane. So this is a region which is bounded from this side by this plane and from this side by this plane, and another one is this top plane, that is x plus y plus z equals to 1. So now let's just evaluate the given integral. So the given integral is, let's name it as I, integrated over region R, x square plus y square plus z square dx dy dz. So that is same as writing integration over, if you see our z is varying from 0 up till 1 minus x plus y. So z is varying from 0 up till 1 minus x minus y, x square plus y square plus z square dz into dx dy. Now let's just evaluate it. It will be integration x square plus y square times z plus z cube by 3, and limit varies from 0 to 1 minus x minus y dx dy. Now it is equals to x square plus y square 1 minus x minus y plus 1 by 3 times 1 minus x minus y cube dx dy. Now it will be equals to, if we simplify it, it will be equals to integration over r dash. I can pull out 1 minus x minus y from both these terms, so it will be 3x square plus 3y square plus 1 minus x minus y square, and I can pull out this 1 by 3 outside the integration sign. So this simplifies to 1 by 3 integration r dash 1 minus x minus y 3x square plus 3y square plus 1 plus x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2xy minus 2y dx dy, and that is equals to 1 by 3 over r dash 1 minus x minus y. It simplifies to 4x square plus 4y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 2xy plus 1 into dx dy, which is further equals to 1 by 3 over r dash 4x square plus 4y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 2xy plus 1 minus 4x cube minus 4y square x plus 2x square plus 2xy minus 2x square y minus x minus 4x square y minus 4y cube plus 2xy plus 2y square minus 2xy square minus y times dx dy. Now if we simplify it, it will be 1 by 3 r dash 4 plus 2 6, yeah, that's 6x square plus 4 plus 2 6y square 2x and then x, so it's minus 3x, likewise minus 3y, and 2xy plus 2xy 4 plus this plus 6xy, and there's this constant term 1 that we'll write later, and x cube terms are minus 4x cube. Yeah, it's minus 4x cube and minus 4y cube here, and y square xy square, it is minus 6 xy square and minus 6 x square y plus 1 dx dy. Now if you see that y varies from 0 to 1 minus x, it will be equals to 1 by 3. X varies from 0 to 1 and y varies from 0 to 1 minus x. So that simplifies to, if we club in just terms with x as variable, it will be 6x square minus 3x minus 4x cube, or rather than doing this we can just do it directly, right? So it will be, we are integrating first with respect to y and then with respect to x. So if we integrate it with respect to y, it will be 6x square y plus 6y cube by 3 minus 3xy minus 3y square by 2 plus 6xy square by 2 minus 4x cube y minus 4y raised 4 by 4 minus 6xy cube by 3 minus 6x square y square plus y, and limit varies from 0 to 1 minus x dx. Now this is equals to, let's just simplify it first. It will be integration from 0 to 1 6x square y plus 2y cube minus 3xy minus 3 by 2y square plus 3xy square minus 4x cube y minus y is 4 plus 2x y cube minus 3x square y square plus y, and limit varies from 0 to 1 by x dx. Now if we plug in the limits, it will be 1 by 3 integration from 0 to 1 6x square 1 minus x plus 2 1 minus x cube minus 3x into 1 minus x minus 3 by 2 into 1 minus x square plus 3x into 1 minus x square minus 4x cube into 1 minus x minus 1 minus x raised 4 plus 2x into 1 minus x cube minus 3x square into 1 minus x square plus 1 minus x dx. Now let's just simplify it before integrating with respect to x. So it will be integration from 0 to 1 6x square 6x square minus 6x cube plus, let's keep this term as it is, 2 1 minus x cube minus 3x plus 3x square minus 3 by 2 1 minus x square plus 3x into 1 minus x square, that will be 3x into 1 minus x square, that is 1 plus 2x minus this, so it will be 3 times x plus x cube minus 2x square and minus 4x cube plus 4x raised 4 minus 1 minus x raised 4 plus this term simplifies to 2x into 1 minus x cube minus 3x plus 3x square, that equals to 2x minus 2x raised 4 minus 6x square plus 6x cube, 2x minus 2x raised 4 minus 6x square plus 6x cube. Okay, and this term reduces to minus 3x square into 1 plus x square minus 2x. That will be 3x square minus 3x raised 4 plus 6x cube plus 1 minus x dx. Now let's just simplify it. It will be 1 by 3 integration from 0 to 1. So let's just club in the terms with x square. This 3x square balances this one, and rest will be 6 from here it is 6x square, and from here it will be minus 6x square. So this term balances this one. Let's just multiply it with 3. So it will be 3 minus 6. There is no bracket here, and this is minus 6x square again. Yeah, it's minus 6x square. Now terms with x cube, this 6x cube balances this one. So we have minus 4x cube plus 6x cube, that is plus 2x cube. Now let's just write down the terms that we haven't opened. That is 2 into 1 minus x cube, that is this term. Then minus 3 by 2 into 1 minus x square, and then this term, that is minus 1 minus x raised 4. Now let's plug in the terms with 3x. This 3x balances this one. So we are left with 2x minus x, that is plus x, and then 3x cube okay, we have this 3x cube with us. So it will be 5x cube here, and then we are left with this term, that is 4x raised 4 minus 2x raised 4, that is 2x raised 4, and minus 3x raised 4, that is minus of x raised 4, and plus 1 dx. Now let's just simplify it. It will be 1 by 3 times minus 6x cube by 3 plus 5 x raised 4 by 4 minus 2 1 minus x raised 4 by 4 minus 3 by 2. It will be plus 3 by 2 because of this minus sign. 1 minus x cube by 3 and plus 1 minus x raised 5 by 5 plus x square by 2 minus x raised 5 by 5 plus x, and limit varies from 0 to 1. Now let's just plug in the limits. It will be 1 by 3 minus 2 plus 5 by 4. This term and this term contributes to 0, plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5 plus 1 minus this is 0. It will be minus 2 by 4 plus 3 by this 3 balances this, so it will be plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5. Yeah, that's all. So this simplifies to 1 by 3, 1 minus 1, and minus 1 plus 1 by 2, it is minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 4 minus 1 by 5 minus this and this balances each other, so we have minus 1 by 5 only, and that simplifies to 1 by 3 times 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5, that is minus 2 by 5. So now let's take its LCM. It will be 1 by 3 into 20. So it is 5 5s are 25 minus 10 and 4 2s are 8 minus 8. So that is that is 7 by 60. But answer should have been 1 by 60. Again I guess we have done some calculation mistake. And like in this type of questions, it's really difficult to find like what calculation mistake we did. So you can check that. Like there might have been some calculation mistake. So answer should have been 1 by 60. Minus 1 by 2, 5 by 4, minus 1 by 5, and here from here we have minus 1 by 5, that makes us minus 2 by 5. Okay, this part is also fine. Maybe above we have done some calculation mistake. You can check that. So the final answer should have been answer is, let me write it here, answer is 1 by 60, and we are getting a 7 by 60, so there is some calculation error. You can check that, but this is the method, that's how you approach this. So let's move on to the next question. So the next question says that D is the region determined by inequalities x greater than 0, y greater than 0, and z is less than 8 and greater than this. So if you observe that since our x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0, and z is lying in between 8 and x square plus y square. Since x and y are both strictly greater than 0, so this x square plus y square will also be strictly greater than 0. So that gives us that our z line in between 0 to 8. So, and this is basically equation of a paraboloid. So it will be, if this is my x-axis, this is y, then paraboloid will be basically somewhat of this form. So the integration will be integration over d 2x dx dy dz. So it will be integration over a, let's say a be the area of this projection, somewhere here the area will lie somewhere here, this is our a, into z, limit of z varies from x square plus y square up till 8, so it will be 2x dz into dA, that is equals to double integration over a 2x 8 minus x square minus y square dA be equals to integration from, like what we can do here is we can reduce it in polar coordinates. So let us assume that x equals to r cos theta, y equals to r sin theta. So our dA, which is basically dx into dy, will be r dr d theta. Now it will be equals to integration, r is varying from 0 to 2 root 2 and theta is varying from 0 to pi by 2. Because we are in first coordinate and r, from here we have seen that our r, that is r square, that lies between 8 to 0. So this gives us that r lies between 0 to 2 root 2, and since we are in first quadrant only, so our theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. So it will be equals to 2r cos theta into 8 minus x square plus y square is r square and dA is r dr d theta. That simplifies to integration 0 to pi by 2 cos theta d theta into integration 0 to 2 root 2 2r into 8 minus r square, this is 2r square because of this r dr. Now this simplifies to sin theta, and theta varies from 0 to pi by 2, which is equals to integration from 0 to 2 root 2 16r square minus 2r raised 4 dr. which is equals to, this term is equals to 1 because sin pi by 2 is 1 and sin 0 is 0. So it is 1 times 16 r cube by 3 minus 2 r raised 5 by 5, and r varies from 0 to 2 root 2, which is equals to 16 by 3 into 2 root 2 cube minus 2 by 5 into 2 root 2 cube, which is equals to 16 by 3 into 16 root 2, and here it is 2 by 5 into 2 raised 5 is basically 32 into 4 root 2, which is equals to, we can pull this root 2 outside. It will be 16 into 16, 256 by 3 under root 2 minus 32 into 8, that is again 256 by root 2 by 5. So we can pull out this 256 root 2 outside, so we are left with 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5, that is equals to 256 root 2, 5 minus 3, that is 2 by 15. So it is equals to 512 root 2 by 15. So this is our answer of this question, and there were only 2 questions asked on triple integral. So this completes our topic triple integral. So thank you for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe the channel.